Welcome to the visualfractions.com YouTube channel and this tutorial on how to multiply fractions, specifically 1/3 by 1/3. In this case, both fractions have a numerator of 1 and a denominator of 3. To multiply fractions, you simply multiply the numerators together and then the denominators together. Multiply 1 by 1, which gives us 1, and then multiply 3 by 3, which gives us 9. So, 1/3 multiplied by 1/3 equals 1/9. That's our final answer. It's important to note that 1/9 is already in its simplest form. And there you have it. You've learned how to multiply 1/3 by 1/3. Multiplying fractions is that straightforward. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more math tutorials. Thanks for watching.